Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial and I am doing another Halloween inspired nail tutorial for you guys today. This time a little bit something different on my channel. I will be using short square nails and I will be recreating some easy candy corn nails that are affordable, recreatable, and they look absolutely stunning. Just in case you like short nails or you work in a work environment where you could only wear your nails a certain length, this works absolutely great. So here, after I am done pushing back my cuticles, I am just applying my peel off coat, which is only used if you want to keep your nails on for a short amount of time or you want to pop them right off. And here, to place the nails after I buff them off camera, I am just using the nail glue that it came with and just attaching all my nails onto my fingers, and it works just as great. And after, I will begin the baking soda process. So here I'm just grabbing any tool that I had laying around and I am just removing as many clumps and lumps from the baking soda just for a better application. So here I am just beginning to build up the nail, and since these nails are short, I am going to be starting halfway, building my way all the way up to the cuticle area. here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.